I think everybody needs to understand that it's not just the measuring or the inspection of the steering column or the steering gear. It's what do you got to do to get these components out to perform the inspection. So Tracy, can we film the inside of this vehicle for a minute? So this right here, ladies and gentlemen, excuse me, is a Subaru Outback. So I want you to look at everything Jace had to remove from this vehicle. So Jace, stay with me here for a minute. First of all, why do we have some components out of the rear of the vehicle?
Well, in the rear of the vehicle, according to Subaru's procedures in this type of collision, they wanted you to go ahead and remove the headliner because they want you to inspect your curtain airbags and its mounting locations. Sometimes it's going to end up requiring you to measure your rear seatbelt assemblies.
So you had to remove the headliner and remove the rear trim panels in order to inspect the seatbelts as well as the seatbelt mounting locations. Is that accurate?
Correct.
All right. Now let's fast forward and let's go up to the front of the vehicle if we could, please, Tracy. In the front of the vehicle, I noticed you've got the dash out of the vehicle. All the seats are out of the vehicle. Why the headliner? Why are all these things out of the vehicle, Jace?
Well, the reason why the dash is out is because the passenger airbag is actually mounted into the dash itself. So if you want to inspect the passenger airbag properly, you have to remove the dash out of the vehicle. Now, say the reason why the seats were removed is because you need to make sure that your side airbags are mounted properly. You want to make sure that your cushion airbag, your occupant sensors, everything is functioning correctly, even though that it might have just been in a minor collision.
So again, in this instance, Subaru says on the electronic service manual, John, is, if I understand correctly, that these components all have to be removed so inspections can be performed, correct? Yes.